So who takes the issue on the part of the petitioners?
My Lord, I have a few questions.
Give us your name.
My name is Ukele. Good afternoon, Mr. Amin.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ukele.
I have very few questions for you. You agree that there are abductions in the country?
Proceed.
Yes, it's a question I'm asking.
My Lord, again, perhaps he can vector his question into the order of habeas corpus that your Lordship has issued.
My Lord, the moment if he answers the question, I'll be able to guide the court where I'm headed.
That's a general question. I said let's
Focus.
Yes, my Lord.
remain in this petition.
Thank you. You have confirmed to the court that indeed there are reports of missing persons being reported in the Longo police station.
True, my Lord.
And these missing persons are abducted.
Just a minute. And I want us to be specific.
Yes, my Lord.
It's not, again, a general question. I have only 3 people here. So ask a question in relation to the 3 people.
Yes. Thank you. You've confirmed that there is a report of missing persons of the number 23, 21, 2024 reported at the River Police Station?
My Lord, and to be more specific,
Yes.
I've confirmed a report relating to Justice Mutuma Musiemi, Martin Moao, and Karaji.
Thank you. And you confirmed that they are not within the custody of the police?
I'm saying that very, very succinctly.
And you also confirmed that you were given instructions to investigate?
Absolutely.
My question is, when were these instructions given?
Immediately the missing person report was made.
Which was last year, December?
Correct.
And you also stated that you are bound by expeditious investigations?
Correct, although the word expeditious is subjective.
Thank you. So, how long do you need? Because I believe the certainty of the period of investigation would allow the families to have a prospective date upon which they would be expecting something out of the public servants.
My Lord, the Constitution, which my learned colleagues have quoted extensively, provides that the mandate to investigate criminal offences is clearly vested in the National Police Service, and the command of the police service is vested in the Inspector General of Police. To ask for a time frame for an investigation is, with tremendous respect, to seek to circumscribe or to direct that investigation.
I think you can wait, Council. Let's not make it an argument. He can answer that question to the best of his ability.
Thank you. How long do you expect at least a response from the police?
Well, Lord, when it comes to matters of criminal investigations, they are not time-bound. If I am investigating a case of murder, I will not be able to tell you that within this particular period of time, I would be able to apprehend the murderers. It all depends on how the investigation progresses and the gravity and complexity of the subject matter and the investigation.
Thank you. Mr. Director, there are known or unknown elements to understand undertaking these abductions.
Sorry?
The period under the instructions we are undertaking or conducting these exercises? That is the question that I
But you have found that the abductions were, that the petition alleges that the abductions were conducted by police officers. You have found once, and you restated it when I sought a stay on Friday. I believe that finding of fact has been made. For counsel to ask a question about clandestine, then it takes it away from police officers and the habeas. Let me finish my objection. It then takes it, because police officers are